Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will know how to create a complex Islamic type of dome in the SketchUp. So first here you have to use a Bezier surface tool. So just draw a rectangle, then go inside the group and then you have to select the nodes. And then here you have to manipulate the models. Like here I have a scaling. Just clicking and dragging the mouse over here and you have to just now double click and you need to make it in a group. Then here we will use subdivide tool. Then again you have to subdivide more by pressing plus icon. Now right click over here, connect with mesh option on subd. Then here we will use quad face, click over here to unsmooth quad faces. Okay, now here I am selecting the face, okay, and deselecting the bottom part. Okay, just like that. Now here we will use lattice maker tool, so just set the parameters like that. And now you have to select the material and then click over OK button. Okay, then within a click the lattice will be formed. Now final uh, is just use flip tool to mirror on both side, just like that. Click over here, drag red axis and press Ctrl to mirror. Okay, so this is the method to create such a complex model in SketchUp using a free plugin. So guys, if you really like my video, please share, subscribe and like. Thanks for watching. Have fun guys. See you next tutorial. Thank you.